Well, here's a sort of a quickie really. We bought a pear tree from the local garden centre and it was reduced to sort of £10, which is pretty good. And it needs a trim. As you can see, I've left it a little bit late. It's just starting to bud, but there's branches crossing over. One snapped off and we're going to sort of take it out. I mean, that's the main reason they reduced it, really, got a broken branch. And we've got to try and make sort of an open bowl shape. Something that they say a pigeon can fly through it, but just keep watching and we'll hack it to death, and hopefully by the end of it it'll look okay. Thanks a lot. I think this is the reason it was reduced. It used to sort of go off of there, so although the buds are sturdy, it's not going to do nothing. Now we've got some crossing stems here, inward facing buds here and here and here. So I think what we'll do, we'll cut this one right off. That stops that movement there. We'll take that inner one off there, that one off there, and we'll prune it back a little bit. Any bit shoots facing inwards, just take them off. We might take all of that one out. Obviously cut at a slant so the water runs off. Okay, how are we doing? We've got one facing that way, one facing that way, one facing in. So take out the inward facing ones. That's going to cross over there. And I think we'll just reduce this in height to start with. That's not too bad. We've got a bit of a crossy one here. We'll take that one out. See there, got one coming back here. So we'll pick that off there. That one's going that way. That one's going in. You don't want that. Take that one off. So that's sort of what we're after, really. Now, what about this side? This branch here is actually crossing over there, so I might take that whole branch out there, or this whole branch out here. I think we'll take this whole branch out here. There we go. That gives that one a bit of a bowl type shape. This one's coming this way. That one's got a bit of a bowl shape there. Don't want any facing inwards. That's quite good. That one off of there. So that's not bad. I know it looks like we've actually mullered the tree, but we've made sort of a bowl shape, which is what we're supposed to do. I think that one's growing in the wrong place myself, so we'll take that one off as well. And I'll reduce the height of that one as well. I mean, you think from now you can actually bend them and train them onto supports if you want. That one's a bit hard, you won't be able to move that one, I don't think. But there we go. We sort of opened it up a bit. No crossing branches, and I think I definitely will knock that one off. I reckon. About there, I think. Always does help to have a decent pair of secateurs. These are Felcos, one of the best you can buy. Any garden centre does them. And if anything breaks with it, like the blades break or the spring or anything, you can just send it back and they'll reservice the whole thing and it'll come back as good as new. But it's £30 though. As Eileen just reminded me. But it's cheaper than buying a new pair. Well, that's that one done. Bit drastic, you might say. But it stops all these branches rubbing together. I mean, look at that, that's facing that way, that one's facing that way, that one facing there. It just wouldn't have got on really. I've still got a couple of apple trees to do. I've got them from Tesco's for £10. But they're still over there wrapped up, so I'll do that later on. Thanks a lot. See you later.